Hello everyone, my name is Tanner Lichfield. I am an investor and an agent based here in Utah. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my plan on how I will make more money and work a whole lot less. So really what this means is, what is my path towards financial freedom? Financial freedom, I need to make more money and I need to work less, right? The reason why I'm so hyper-focused on financial freedom is because I want to have more time that I can spend with my family. That's really what it comes down to. I want to go on whatever trip I want. I want to go to whatever game I want with my kid. That's the dream that I picture. And that's what motivates me to kill it. Especially in the last 12 months, something that I've realized a ton is that my time is limited. Even when it comes to making money, my time is limited. If I want to make more money, I need to leverage different tools. I need to figure out how I can do more in less time. Something that's excited me a ton is leveraging people. So I hired an assistant in January of 2024. I'm about 8 months into it, and that has been a massive blessing for my business because I can be in more places at once and my business can continue to grow. Already in 2024, I think I will make more money than I did in 2023, at least how it's playing out as of today. And my businesses outside of real estate in general are growing as well. And that's the goal, right? Like if I were trying to make the same amount of money in 2023, I would have zero time to invest in other businesses and other endeavors, right? Unless I hired an assistant. So hiring the assistant allowed me to delegate more and to narrow my time where it's best spent. So I plan to do that more. Like even with Beehive, right? That took a lot of my time. I've brought on a partner, Jaden Connor. He's amazing. And the goal is that I can leverage Jaden so that I can buy back more of my time and continue growing. That's what I see now. I'm building businesses that depend less on me as a person. So as I continue to grow my business, as I continue to delegate more, I am making more money because my business is growing and it's taking less of my time. That's literally the definition of how I plan to make more money and work less. Is delegate. Diving deeper into the weeds. Maybe not deeper into the weeds, but more of a broad perspective. In 20 years, I don't want to work. I don't want to have to work per se, right? Even in like 15 years, my goal. When I'm in my early 40s, I want to have the option to do whatever I want and not worry about money. The way that I'm envisioning that is to have assets that pay for my lifestyle. Best case scenario is I have 30 rentals that pay me 300 grand a year. I'm making up random numbers, but I have 300 grand in passive income that pays for my lifestyle to do whatever I want. When I'm sleeping, I'm making money, right? That's the life that I envision. It might be hard for you to wrap your head around buying assets if you're at the beginning stages of your career, but I want to paint a picture that even when I was in tech sales, my first job, making 75 grand, that's pretty good for my first job ever. But when I was making 75 grand, I obviously didn't have enough money to buy several rentals a year. But what I did do is I put a lot of money in stocks. Those are still assets, right? So whatever your asset class is, figure that out and buy them as early and as often as possible. If you can't afford real estate right now, buy stocks. And that's my 2 cents. If you want to make more money and work less, delegate more, that's my 2 cents. And that's what my plan is. Buy assets. Stay posted on the journey. Make sure you subscribe. I make a lot of content focused on real estate in general. I try and show the good and the bad of this industry because it's not as sexy as the gurus make it out to be. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.